Hi guys, if you want to know about the makeup trend number 2 announced by Cosmopolitan for the year of 2020, then stay put. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. My name is Sangya Lakhanpal and I make videos on everything that I find interesting. So do not forget to subscribe and push the bell button so you know whenever I upload a new video. And today I'm here to talk about trend number 2 announced by Cosmopolitan for the year of 2020. And that trend is called the pink lip look. So without wasting any time, let's get right in. Of course, we're beginning with a prepped face. I've done my eyes as well. I've gone in for a soft pink and golden glam. And now we are going to get onto the lips right away. Pink lip is my favorite, so I'm very excited for this look. I love pink over any other color, brown, purple, red, maroon, anything. I own a lot of soft pinks, dark pinks, fuchsias, so I love this pop of color. So of course I'm very excited. It's always great to make a statement with a hot pink lip, and usually for a statement, pinks with blue undertones work the best. And if you want some serious staying power, then you should go in with a matte pink lipstick. And for today, of course, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Creamy Mattes, one of my most favorite formulas, and the shade name is 630 Flaming Fuchsia. And this is what it looks like. And this of course has a blue undertone. So without wasting any time, let me right away apply it and show you the look. Oh my god, how beautiful is this lip? I mean, such a pop. I absolutely love it. And I have a tip for you guys. Before applying any matte lipstick, make sure you prep or prime your lips with like a lip primer or a lip balm, and right before applying the matte lipstick, dab it off. What that does is hydrates your lips and helps your lips from not cracking while you have the matte lipstick on. You can also achieve this look with different other eye looks, have like a black liner, or just do like a gold eye or a nude eye or even a brown smoky. All of these looks will go perfectly with a popping pink lip. So guys, this is it for this trend. I hope this video was fun and useful. I will see you next time with lots of love. Mwah.